But I have insurance. Why is there a copay? Your repairs are covered only to the extent of a policy that you purchase. Key word is the policy that you purchase. The competitive market of car insurance and the drive for cheaper premiums has some negative effects. Some policies fall short of paying for what your vehicle manufacturer requires for a safe and proper repair. It's due to the increasing complexity of cars' new safety systems, manufacturing processes, and materials. Parts cost has increased dramatically. The insurance policy you purchase may allow the insurance company to only pay for used or aftermarket parts that may not be approved by your vehicle's manufacturer. In order to protect the safety of your family and the value of your vehicle, the manufacturer may require new parts and special repair procedures. These manufacturer's procedures are not negotiable. The factory-certified repair specialist at CarSmart Collision will determine what is required to make a safe and proper repair. Following the manufacturer's specifications, we may have to use parts and repair procedures your policy will not pay for. We will notify you of any potential costs you may incur. Please understand that our goal is to return your vehicle back to you in a condition that meets the manufacturer's engineered safety requirements, as inexpensive as possible. Many times after we show your insurance company why we are required to use certain parts and procedures to repair your car, they will pay for your car to be repaired properly. But in the event the insurance company is not willing to pay us, you may be asked to pay the difference. We encourage you to submit any portion you may have to pay above to your insurance company for reimbursement. CarSmart Collision wants to thank you for letting us keep your family safe and your vehicle as good as new for you all day.